You want to grow, right? Spend time with yourself. If you really, really, really are tired of procrastinating, of feeling bad, of stage fright, of whatever, spend time with yourself. Get to know you, understand you. Now I'm in that journey. And trust me, it is not nice. I'm just waking up, so you guys should not mind. But that's by the way. The most important thing now is spend time with yourself. Bring out at least 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, low west. At least spend 30 minutes of your day. It's not enough, but it's a start. When I say spend time with yourself, and I'm not talking about, when I say spend time with yourself, I'm not talking about doom scrolling, writing, journaling, and the rest. Journaling is a part of it, but I'm talking about shadow work. That one where you sit down in solitude, like you don't talk. You can have thoughts, yes. You can have your thoughts. I mean, you're a human being. Your brain will always have something. I'm talking about keeping your phone, no calls, no movement, no eating, no drinking water. Just be. Like just be with you. Like just spend time with yourself. Trust me, it's fucking hard because it is now a battle between you, your mind, your traumas, your difficulties, things that you've been trying to avoid. Yeah. Now see how it works. At least for me. So before we proceed, welcome to my channel. My name is my name, and here I discuss my opinions, my experiences, my observations, and just how I navigate through life, the things that I can share. And this is not this might are my opinions. So if you feel like they don't um work with what you think, feel free to say it in the comment section and let's get right into it. So when I say spend time with yourself, I'm talking about shadow work. Shadow work, spend time with yourself. You will see that a lot of the things that we think are our bad habits, our bad traits are just responses from stored trauma. You know, it's not normal to cancel plans, right? At the dying minutes. It's not normal to procrastinate. It's not normal to a lot of things that we do that we think, okay, this is us, we can't stop it. It's just your nervous system reacting to things that happened in the past. And you cannot resolve them unless you do shadow work. And then the funny thing is that it is very hard because you sit down to do shadow work and then you watch 30 minutes go by. And when you check the time, it's literally just 10 minutes. And then when you do make it to that 30 minutes, if you make it to the 30 minutes, it's a lot. It will start like a feeling, like what you've been trying to avoid will come up first as a feeling, not as a thought, as a feeling. Now, hold that feeling, feel it, then pick it up and sit with it. Shadow work will take you back in time, like when you were a kid, when you were small. Like it will remind you of the first time someone bullied you or someone said no. The first time you did something wrong, like things that you thought that as a child you've forgotten, you've let go of feelings, events. Shadow work is going to bring them to the surface. And the thing about shadow work is that you have to be in solitude for the shadow to even appear. It is hard. It is hard. Sometimes it's happy. Imagine something that you've been living with through most of your adult life and you do not even know that it is the cause of most of the things that are happening. So shadow work is hard. It is fucking hard. Trust me. And it's going to force you to look within. Like it's going to force you to face your fears. The first time I did my shadow work, the first time, because it's not a one time thing, trust me, it's not a one time thing. The first time I did my shadow work, I was so restless and I got to the 30 minutes and then the feeling came and I cried. I kept on, like, I literally saw my younger self and then we had a conversation. It is not funny, like, you have to be, but the thing about shadow work is that you have to be extremely intentional about it. extremely intentional. You don't just do it. That's why you need like solitude. Just focus on your thoughts. Now, the misconception from my own personal experience is that people think that it is like meditation where you have to like focus on your mind, clear your thoughts, and then just focus. No, shadow work, just the only thing you need to do is to be still, be quiet, don't talk. Just be still, be quiet, and then allow your thoughts. The shadow, it will bring it out for you. Don't worry. You don't need to do too much. If you can do shadow work, if you can take it up and do it like at least 45 minutes a day, you're going to resolve so much. You're going to resolve that procrastination. You will definitely, you will understand why you're addicted to what you're addicted to. You understand why you have this almost self-sabotaging coping mechanisms. You will you will see yourself wanting to get better. God, I'm almost crying. I'm teary actually. You can't see it, thank God, but I am actually teary. Shadow work is so hard. It's so daunting. It's so scary, but it is so beautiful because you get to see you. You get to understand you. You get to build you. You get to you get to build your life, your reality. You get to people would stop triggering you. Most of the you get angry easily by shadow work. That's why therapy is nice. Therapy is you talking to, the only thing is that the therapist forces the questions, like the answers out by asking leading questions. Shadow work, you are the one asking the questions, you are the one answering the questions, you are the one seeing your thought, like you will see yourself from outside. Oh god, shadow work is so underrated. People are talking about it enough, yes, but it is still underrated. Like it is literally like a reset button. It is basically a reset button. Like I just woke up and I'm like thinking again as I always do. And I'm like, let me just share this thing with you guys in case you don't know. Shadow work, it's where it is at. You want to make it in life, shadow work. Shadow work, spend time with yourself. And the thing about shadow work is that you cannot you cannot be a successful entrepreneur if you have not done shadow work. Your business cannot grow more than you. I hope you know. Your business cannot grow, a business cannot grow more than the owner. That's why most successful CEOs, they almost have the same traits. Dedicated, they don't care about people's opinions, they know themselves. Shadow work is where you know yourself. You get to meet you, you get to understand, you get to know things that trigger you. You master your ego. People always say ego death. Ego death is nice. It's good to kill your ego. Then now sit beside your ego and understand it. But that's a video for another day. Now, shadow work will make you understand your ego. It will make you understand your traits, your strengths, your shortcomings, and then help you understand how you can utilize your flaws and your good traits. Trust me, your strength you utilize it, your flaws. And I'm still on that journey, and I can literally feel like I know that if I continue on this path, by God's grace, I'm getting there. And I told you guys that you're going to watch me grow on this app. You're going to watch me grow on this app. You're going to watch me build myself from down up. Shadow work is where it is. You cannot be a successful entrepreneur. I have a business. I have a catering service, and obviously I'm a YouTuber. Shadow work will help you understand procrastination. Will help you understand. I'm just rambling at this point, but guys, just do shadow work. It's hard. You will cry. Male, female, you have a heart of stone. You're that. You will shadow work. You will cry. Shadow work. You will get angry. Shadow work. You will see a lot. You will see a lot. You understand a lot. Don't worry. Your relationships, you will fix them. You will know how to. But another thing about shadow work is that once you start it and start knowing yourself, you will lose people. You will lose people. You will lose people. It will be as if you're picky. And the thing is that the pickiness is not coming from a place of pride. It's coming from a place of knowing yourself. It's just like, okay, in the past, I used to take jobs I know that I cannot do because the pay is low, and I know that eventually I'm going to like not want to do it, but I'll still take them because I know myself. But deep down, you know yourself, but you don't want to acknowledge it. Shadow work will make you know yourself and then acknowledge knowing yourself. You're no longer scared of being you, saying no, saying I don't deserve this, saying I deserve this, like going for what you want. You see, once you do shadow work, you'll be a go-getter. You will know when to do things and when not to do things. You will know what you will not bite more than you can chew. You will see your full potential. You will stop being shy, stop being self-conscious. Shadow work is literally a reset button. Just start it and then thank me, yeah? Just start and thank me first. Alright guys, if you're to the end of this video, thank you for staying, and if you're new, welcome. This channel, Quiet Hours, is where I share my thoughts and opinions, like I've already said, and I hope that you learn a thing or two from me. Or if you feel like I need to learn something, please drop it in the comments, and then I will definitely reply or read. If I don't respond, I'm going to read it. And thank you for staying to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you next time. Bye.